Flux is very important when soldering, especially when it comes to electronics. And here we have the SRA flux number 135, the rosin paste flux that we are using on this project that I'm working on right here. More for practice, really. And just for this video, just kind of showing you how I already placed some of the flux first. First, let's kind of show you a little bit on the inside of what it looks like. And when I received it, it came like this, mainly because, it's summer and I guess it was put on the side and it started melting in this position. So I guess if I just put it outside for a little while in the sun, it should fill out as it should, but I haven't done that yet. Then I placed, you can place it with a little tiny flux brush. I would like to use a Q-tip, a pointed Q-tip. Though you don't have to use that. But I don't have any at the moment, so I just kind of like just dab. I just dab it on there, right? Don't want to put too much of it, but it's already been pre-flux there. So definitely, when you are trying to connect anything, let's re-tin this real quick. So it definitely makes the projects a lot easier when you're what you're trying to do. So when you place it on the contact, it starts to melt here, and it can help with the transfer. I've got them mixed up, but as you can see here, a little tricky here in this position. Yeah, just heat the contact, then place the solder. Heat the contact, place the solder to help transfer it. Make sure that it's nice and shiny. The flux definitely makes the project easier. And there you go. Make sure you just have the flux is crucial to making your life just a little bit easier. Even though some solders may come with their own rosin core, their own flux, they definitely want to help with the transfer, because there's different ways to use flux, and this is just sort of putting, if you're to connect wires or chips to it, it makes it easier. But there's other projects they can be used for, or I guess other things if you need to desolder. It definitely helps to have a little bit, depending on what you're using. So always recommend using